Okay, we've got 12 minutes left. Let's listen. I'm going to play the story again.
You can take school, Dad.
Listen to the teacher giving a lesson about jobs.
There are many different kinds of jobs around us. It is important to know what you are good at and what interests you the most before choosing a job. School is one place where you can find your talents. School also gives you a chance to learn some new skills. For example, if you like music and would like to learn how to play an instrument, you can take some music classes. You can also train yourself and upgrade your skills by joining a school orchestra. School can be the answer to finding the right job for you. Do you have any questions so far?
Okay.
Number 3.
What is the lesson about? A. The importance of school. B. How to play an instrument. New orchestra members.
Okay, why don't? What is the lesson about?
Letter B.
What do you think, B? What is the lesson about?
Letter A.
And B, what does B think?
A.
Okay, it's about the importance of school. Yes, it's about the importance of school.
Number 4.
Why does the teacher think school is important? A. It can help students find what they like and are good at. B. It assesses each student by test results. C. The school's orchestra is very famous.
Okay, B, why does the teacher think the school is important?
It's A.
Yes, good job. Let's listen to the next one.
Number 5.
What example does the teacher use? A. A science experiment. B. An English speech contest. C. Music.
And why don't? What does she use? What example?
Letter C.
Yes, music. Good. Okay, let's go back and find the and look at the words, the meaning of the words. Let me start it here. Okay, let's have a look here at some of the words. And just wait there. Good. Okay, transportation. Why don't? What is transportation? Who knows? Transportation. Do you know the word transportation?
Link. Transportation.
What is transportation?
I don't know.
B, what is transportation? Do you know?
I'm true.
I can't hear. Oh, okay. Transportation is the way that you travel, like a bus or a train or a car. What transportation do you use to come to school? I go on my bicycle, or I go on my come by train or on foot. The transportation is the way you travel, get to a place. Okay. Accommodation. What is accommodation? Who knows that word? Accommodation. accommodation? B, do you know the word accommodation?
Accommodation.
Accommodation.
I don't know. Sorry.
Okay, why don't do you know accommodation? Is a place to, what do I do there? Accommodation, what do I do? It's a place I can stay or sleep. Okay. Transportation is a way to travel. Accommodation is a place to stay. Optional is a choice. I don't have to do it. Why don't? What is transportation? Why don't? What is transportation? I can't hear you, Why don't? Why don't? I can't hear you. You need to unmute, Why don't? Why don't? I can't hear you.
Sorry. I don't know.
Okay. B, what is transportation? Why don't you know, B? It's on the screen. Why don't you know? It's on the screen. I typed it for you. You must just read.
And a way to travel.
A way to travel. Accommodation. What is accommodation?
Is a place to stay.
Accommodation is a place to stay. What is optional? What does optional mean?
A shop.
Optional.
A trade.
A choice. I have a choice.
Choice.
I don't have to do it. It's optional. I don't have to do it. It's That's a choice. Okay? When it's a choice, it's optional. That means I can do it if I want to. Okay. What is accommodation? Why down? Accommodation.
A place to stay.
Yes. What is transportation? B. Transportation. What is transportation?
Transportation, a way of travel.
A way to travel or a way of travel. The way I travel to school. That is transportation. How do you travel to school? I come by bus. That's transportation. How do you come to school? How do you travel? Okay. Let's have a look here. Okay, let's have a look. Transfer. If I say you are going to get a transfer, what is transfer? Transfer is to move from one place to another. Why don't? What is transfer? Transfer.
It's to move. It's to move it from one place to another.
Is to move.
To another.
Yes. B, what is transfer?
Is to move from one place to another.
Yes. When I transfer, I move from one place to another. Good. Okay. Arrive. The word arrive. What does that mean? If I say arrive, what does arrive mean? Why don't arrive? Arrive. Arrive means?
Arrive.
What does arrive mean? Arrive mean to get to a place. When I get to
a place.
when I get to a place, I arrive. When I get to a place,
When I to
I-
play a play.
I arrive. Okay.
I arrive.
B, what is transfer?
Transfer is to move from one place to another.
To move from one place to another. To move from one place to another. What is arrive, B? Arrive.
Arrive is to get to a place.
To get to a place. Good. Grant. I grant you this. What does grant mean? Grant mean is to give. To let somebody have something. It's to give. To request. If I request something, I ask. I ask something. At least. It at least is the it's doing something. It's barely doing something. You could have at least warned me. It's a small thing you need to do. At least, like a small thing you had to do. You could at least tell me that. Okay, we're going to stop here. You boys did a good job today. Well done. I'm going to see you next time, okay? I'll see you soon, boys. Bye, boys.
Yes. Goodbye, teacher.